Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will create this wavy kind of a surface in SolidWorks. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. So here you can see that I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to your new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, which is millimeters grams second. Okay. So let's say this dimension is 200 millimeters and this dimension is also 200 millimeters. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 curves and basically these are splines. So we will create some arbitrary splines, but we know these dimensions. So let's go to SolidWorks again. So let's create one reference plane. Go to here plane. And then for the first reference, I will pick front plane and I will create one plane which is 100 millimeters away from this plane. Okay. And let's create another plane, flip the direction and it is 200 and the front plane will be in between these planes. So let's create some sketch on plane 2 first. I will make a spline like this and I will give this dimension as 200 and I will exit this sketch. Now I will create another sketch on this plane 1. Go to here spline and this time I will create a different spline like this. Maybe I will drag this handle to here. Okay. Let's give this dimension as 200. Okay, and I will exit this sketch. I will hide these two planes. So these planes will not interfere when we were sketching. Now we will create another reference plane. So go to your reference plane. And for the first reference, I will select right plane. And for the second reference, I will select this vertex. You can see the preview and select OK. I will select plane 3 sketch. And here I will create another random sketch like this. I will select this point and I will make it coincident. Similarly, I will select this point and I will make it coincident. I will drag this handle to here. Okay. I will exit this sketch. Now I will make another plane which would be 200 millimeters away. And I will select OK. I will hide this plane 3. I will select plane 4 sketch and I will create another spline, another random spline like this. And I will select this vertex and this vertex. I will make it coincident. Similarly, I will select this vertex and I will make it coincident. I will drag this handle to here, and I will drag this point to here. Okay, I will exit this sketch and I will hide this plane. Now let's say I want another curve so that we can create a smooth wavy surface. So for this we have a front plane, sketch, and here we can create another spline. So let's make another random spline like this, and I will select this point and this curve. I will make it pierce. Similarly, I will select this point and this curve and I will make it pierce. I will adjust the handles. Also, I will drag this to here, and maybe I will drag this point to here. Okay. I will exit this sketch, and now we can create our boundary surface. So for this, go to here, surfaces, boundary surface. For the first direction, I will select this curve and this curve. You can see the preview. And for the second direction, I will select this curve, and this curve. You can see the preview. Here, you can apply some end constraints, normal to profile, direction vector, etc. But I will keep it as it is. And I will select OK. So here you can see the wavy surface that you have just created using boundary surface. Now let's say I want to add some thickness onto this surface, not by using this command thicken. Basically I want to add a block, and then we will transform this surface, this wavy surface, onto this block so that we can machine that block. We can send this block for CNC or for any subtractive machining. Okay. So first we will create that cube. So go to here, top plane, sketch, and here I will create a center rectangle like this. This dimension is 200 and this dimension is also 200. I will select this midpoint and I will select this point and I will make it coincident. Now I will go to your features, extruded boss, and I will extrude it 70 millimeters, reverse. I will offset it, reverse 100 millimeters. And select OK. Now I will change the colors of this surface. And this solid. Now our objective is to replace this face, this cube face, this top face, with this complex wavy surface. So for this we have a command called replace surface. Go to your surfaces and then replace surface. First I will select this face and then I will select this wavy surface and select OK, and you will see the magic. You can see this face is replaced with this wavy surface with some extrusion. Now you can save this file as a step file and you can send this file to CNC machine for cutting or for subtractive manufacturing. So that's how you can create complex surfaces in SolidWorks, and you can convert this surface into solid for machining. Here is an important message as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.